back to my channel. I'm Christina, founder of Jouer Cosmetics, lover of all things, including beauty, obviously, fashion, and my daughter. And today, my daughter and I are flying up to Northern California so that she can interview an amazing author. I'm gonna take you along for the ride. I am her plus one, I am her handler, I'm her assistant, helping her out. It's Friday morning, it's about 6 in the morning, and we are about 15 minutes late. It's actually 5:45. We're about 15 minutes late going to the airport. Bella is with her brothers again, which makes her so happy. So anyway, let's go along for the ride, and I will catch you up when we're there. Alright, we just landed, got our coffee, we're on our way to the location. We're on our way to, I think, near Santa Cruz. What's going on? Also, we have backup coffee for our coffee. We have hit our destination. We are upstairs in this little holding area. Amelie is studying a little bit, and I'll show you down below what the production looks like. They are busy setting up. Looks like that's where the two are gonna sit, and we're in this beautiful location. Let me go downstairs. A little behind the scenes. Obviously, this is where all of the fun takes place. Amelie's getting mic'd right now. Documenting the whole thing.
I got the 10 for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Great. You, me, Nate the DP, and Jamie the producer would just go for a little drive.
Yep. Sorry.
Have fun.
You good?
Yeah.
There's a little break going on right now for me because they took Amelie into a car and they're interviewing her. This is our little holding area, and this is where she had to do her makeup. Literally, I brought up Ricky Mirror, thank goodness. Ricky Mirrors are always the way to go. I'm gonna do some work on my laptop, and we are in the process of figuring out holiday for 2024. I could show you a sneak peek of the mood board. Maybe that would be kind of fun. Let's do that. Is a little peek at one of our secret boards. What we do at Jouer is whenever we have an idea for a project, we create little boards, and that's what the whole, like, the graphic artist team and product development and marketing and everything uses. And so I've just put a bunch of really pretty vintage compacts in here as inspiration for a possible compact. And I mean, hello, look how gorgeous. I love these. I am going to take you along today on the prep and presentation of a beautiful Galentine's lunch that I'm throwing my team. So it is somebody on my team's birthday tomorrow. We are all gathering to look at product development, to discuss marketing, to do all of that stuff, but I'm also surprising the team with a beautiful Galentine's lunch. Not really surprising them, like they know it's gonna happen. They need to wear pink and red. Those are the rules. And so today Margaret and I are gonna do some fun. We're gonna shop, and then we're gonna do some fun kind of little decorating. We're gonna make the table, and I'm going to take you guys along. First, I am always traveling with this little bag, which I love so much, and I've got all of my camera equipment, so we're packing that up. This is the little camera bag I carry with me all the time. This is an old Jouer bag. Actually, I think we might still, I don't know if we sell it or we're going to be selling it. Anyway, this is a really cool little bag. This has like a little portable light. I love this guy so much. I need it. I don't know. See that look how lighting just all of a sudden gives me like highlighter and beautiful cheeks. Anyway, got my iPad. Always travel with that. I have my laptop downstairs, my notepads. This is my everyday journal that I'm bringing with me. This is a new like date book that I bought. I'm obsessed with it. It has my name on it. This is from Smythson, which has the blue pages. So starting to integrate that into my year. That's everything that's coming with me. You gonna come with me, Bella? Are you gonna be my very special Galentines? Love you, little angel. I always have a bunch of products that I'm testing, and this is one. This is a lip oil. I don't think this is gonna be the final color of it, but this is such a beautiful shimmer lip oil. And I'm just gonna put it on my lips. How pretty is that? So gorgeous. There's a couple of variations in this bag, and what I'm doing is testing these out so that I will have an answer for the team tomorrow. So we're all gonna gather, we will look at them all and then make some feedback and take some notes and stuff about what we want this to look like. So I definitely want this to have a more champagne color. We don't want people scared like, oh, I don't wanna wear something too pale on my lips. It's actually just clear with the prettiest shimmer. So anyway, working on that and trying that on. I've always got little stuff here I'm testing. This is a tint, like a stain that I'm testing. And I mean, there's just always stuff. So much stuff, so much fun stuff. I love it. Margaret is here. She's got all of product development there that we're gonna review tomorrow. And tomorrow's YouTube we are working on now, and I'm filming next week's YouTube. I swear, this is just a constant YouTube life. Let's go outside and check out the gorgeous weather and ocean. Oh, Bella's happy. Oh my God, what a gorgeous day at the beach. Look at this. Do you like the beach? Do you like the beach? Isn't it the best? The first thing we are going to do is make some gorgeous pressed flower candles. These are going to be party favors for everybody at the party, and we're also going to set the table with them. I can't wait to show you. We're going to make them right now. This is what I'm wearing today for the Galentine's lunch. The instructions are to wear red or pink, and I've got this red sweater, which I think I showed you in another video. It's just soft and easy, and most importantly, I need to show you these jeans. I'm obsessed with them. They were sent to me and I put them on like having kind of low expectations, like whatever, I don't know. And they fit so well. They are so comfortable. They are so flattering. I immediately wrote them and I was like, please, please, I need a code. I need a code. These are so good. They just like lift your butt. They cinch you in. They're comfortable. They have a little slight flare at the bottom, and I'm just thrilled with them. So I will definitely share the code below for these jeans. And then of course I'm wearing these little red ballet flats slingbacks. I will link those too. These are on my Amazon store and they are so chic and just like a fun way to add the little red trend into your wardrobe. So that's what I'm wearing for my Galentine's Day luncheon. Let's go downstairs and start getting ready.
The butter and the bread, yeah.
I'm gonna make the table extra special with these large conversation hearts, and I'm gonna sprinkle these along the table. So now I'm taking little lips and I am sticking them on Q-tips that I can put on the glasses. because you know, like, I don't hate it. I just got a really spicy one. They're so good.
Do you like it?
I love them. Are you ready?
Everything at once.
I'm ready.
It's the ASMR right there.
Give me your arm.